finished dropping the kids off and I went to go vote. I am heading back home now so I can kind of figure out a game plan for my day, because I feel like I have so much to do. So the good thing is having Friday and Saturday off. Everybody is at work or at school on Friday, so I can get a lot of stuff done. But the bad thing is I always feel like I don't have an actual day off to myself. I like to try and throw some fun in there, but I have errands to run. I need to go to the grocery store, laundry to do. I need to clean the house, mop the floor, you know, all these things. And then when the kids get off from school, I need to go pick the kids up, and I need to start doing Ava and Raina's hair. So I like to do their hair every 2 weeks. Last week, I actually did not braid their hair up, so I had to do it every week. So, okay, if I don't braid their hair up, every morning I have to do their hair, what you saw me doing this morning, which is a little bit of an inconvenience, right? And it takes away from the morning, like it takes more time away from the morning. So what I like to do is braid their hair up on the weekend, so I don't have to worry about it during the weekday. But when I do that, that means I'm braiding hair all day. It takes me literally 8 hours to finish Ava's hair and Raina's hair together. Yeah, so I do want to braid their hair this weekend. I just so don't feel like it, but whatever. Right now I'm gonna head home and map out my day so I can make sure that it's a productive day. Bedroom, and we're doing a little bit of a room update. So the last time that I came to you guys with this video, I had put together the IKEA Kallax and made a little toy dresser for them, and then we did some DIY projects and hung some things on the wall, which you can see back here behind me. We do have a couple of new things that came to the room. This arch was not here the last time that I filmed. This is actually a really cute project that Ava and I worked on together, and today I'm going to be working on another project over where their toy dresser is. Aside from the arch, let me just show you some other things. I did finally get some of those wicker baskets from IKEA that I was telling you guys about in the last video. I loved them. You see how much more like structured they look compared to these. I still have to go back and get 2 more. And then aside from the wicker baskets, I also got these little inserts from IKEA to go in. I don't know if you can tell like the spacing right here. These are just the little Kallax inserts. You can do them vertically or horizontally. I chose to do them vertically so that I can add some of their like toys and stuff in there. And I picked up also these little Ziploc baggy things from Amazon, which I love, and it's a really cool way to organize their things. So I have that kind of this part I actually just put in a week ago, these little inserts here, and I haven't quite figured out exactly how I want to have this organized. I wanted to have it where they can kind of just grab some things and go, but I don't necessarily like that it's not, you know, too neat. But whatever. This is the project we're working on today. So, as you can see, there is a little bit of an outline here behind the toy dresser. So I outlined it with a pencil, and what I'm gonna do is a sun. I'm gonna do another art and make it a sun. I picked up some paint today, and I think it's gonna be really cute.